Here we go, the final game. Decision game 3. Panalo sa game 1 ang team Jason and Elmer. Bumawi sa game 2 ang team Calvo and Atan Gatso. Ito na, decision game. Ang huling laban. Service Atan Elmer. So, yay ka, Calvo. For the kill. Grabe, hagbunal. Tanderos fight coming from Calvo. Ono, 0 na. Okay, we're back. Ono, 0 ato score. Elmer, throw it away. 2-0 na, 2-0. 2-0 in favor of Team Calvo and Atan Gatso. Nagkanda hirap-hirap si Atan Gatso. Servisyo Elmer. Elmer again. Atan Gatso. Time out, time out. Servisyo Elmer. Atan. To Elmer. Away. Ono dos na, ono dos. Team Calvo and Atan is ahead by 1 point. Atan, nabigla si Jason. Dos, ono. Calvo serving. When? Tris, ono. Calvo, Elmer, Calvo again. Net bag. Masyadong gigil si Calvo. Servisyo Jason. Atan. Jason. Counter shot ni Jason. Wow. Ganda na palitan. Perfect. Big shot of the ball game. Courtesy of Jason de la Serna. 2-3, kini para igualis. Tan, to Elmer. Ito na. Overhead. Answered by brilliant move coming from Elmer. 3 igualis. Decision game 3. Volleyball dayon-dayon double. Bang! Ito sa inyo. Ay, gustong wasagin. Out ball. 4-3. Lamang na ang tandem ni Jason at saka ni Elmer. Sold out ticket karon diri sa Bunturis Court. Ay, ito kung di Calvo.
Tayo tirahan ito.
Servisyo Atan. Elmer. Calvo. At servisyo Jason. Calvo. Defending Elmer. Got destroyed. Wasak si Calvo. 4 igualis na. Servisyo Elmer. Calvo. Elmer Garrett. Calvo again. Answer Elmer. Short. 5-4. The momentum has shifted to the tandem of Elmer and Jason. Out ball. Servisyo Calvo. Elmer. Overhead shot. Answer to Calvo. Ito, 1-on-1. Out ball. 4-5 ha, 4-5. 1 point lead in favor of Jason and Elmer. Pok mo niyatan. Short. Change court. Size 4. 2 puntos ang kalamangan. Servisyo Jason. Atan. Calvo, corner. Lumabas. Goes away. City 4. Elmer. Out ball. 8-4. Team Elmer and Jason pulls away, leaving Team Calvo and Nathan Gacho by 5 points. 9-4 na. 9-4, last 3 na. Nathan Gacho, air assault. Elmer. Nathan Gacho, overhead. Atan! Look, kaniha. Out ball.
Malu maksarap Elmer ni.
4-9. Elmer. Calvo, nice defense. Malasang Calvo eh. Upaw kita ni, maupaw kita ni Calvo. 9-4, Calvo to Elmer. To shot combination. Inside. 4-9 ya, 4-9. Here comes Calvo para 5. Calvo. Pinumpa ni Atan Gacho. Atan Gacho. Yay ka. Elmer let it fly. Atan. Ay. Oh my mama. Walang katao-tao. Smart move coming from Jason Pulhoon. 4-9. Calvo. Side out. 9-4 pa rin. Servisyo Atan. Win. 5-9. Servisyo Atan. Jason to Atan. Answer by Elmer. Atan. Calvo. Loaded shot. Nice pleasing. Cortes yung Calvo. Elmer to Calvo. Away. Score City 9. When we have a ball game, 1 point lead ang team nila ni Jason. Inapyasan sa team nila ni Calvo. Nathan. Calvo on the attack. Out ball. 9-all. Ay ka. Who will win this one? Out ball, side out. 9-all ha, 9-all. Elmer, let it fly. Atan. Elmer. Goodbye. Nueve Gs. Last to. Ay! For the kill. Pasok. 11-9 na. Last ball. Servisyo Elmer. Jason. Overhead. Side out. Ito, pagkakataon.
Pareha na kiniha ba? Absent.
Another chance, Calvo. Last 3, last ball. 9-11. Servisyo Calvo para Gis. Calvo again. Ay ka. Wala. Sumabit si Jason. Gis 11.
Pareha na kiniha.
Service yung Calvo, drop shot. Elmer, out, Atan, on the attack. Atan again, overhead. Elmer to the rescue. Calvo, durog sila. Durog sila kay Calvo. Onsi Iguales. Para daw for the win. Ito, tapatan na.